This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can switch your SIM card preferences on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the network and internet category. In here, go for the SIM cards and choose the manual dual SIM usage mode. And after that, you can change the preferred SIM card for voice calls, for mobile data and SMS messages. Then just finish the setup procedure over here. As you can see, once you are all set, that means that the changes you have just made were successfully implemented. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.